All right, guys, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to log your nutrition, how to log everything that you eat. So let's go ahead and click the My PT Hub app, the one with my face on it. Click there, and that's going to take us back to your main startup screen. So if you watched the how to log your workouts video, then you're already familiar with this screen. Now, one thing with the log nutrition is that if you use an app like MyFitnessPal, which I know a lot of my clients do. If you're using that, then you can actually log your nutrition on MyFitnessPal and it will transfer over to my app. So you would click where it says connect your device. So we'll click there and you're just going to click on whichever. So you can use Fitbit, Apple Health, Google Fit, Apple Watch, or MyFitnessPal. And for instance, with MyFitnessPal, like I said before, everything you eat will be logged into this app. Everything you log or you enter into MyFitnessPal will also get entered into this app. Now, if you're having issues and it's not working, you probably need to, in MyFitnessPal, you need to update your sharing and privacy settings, which I can show you how to do that if it's not working. But that's the neat thing about this app is that you have the ability, if you already use MyFitnessPal or you use your Apple Watch to track your progress, it will also transfer all that information into this app. So let's go back. Let's start logging our nutrition. So if you're not using apps like MyFitnessPal, we're going to click log nutrition. And we're going to, if I create a nutrition plan for you, you would click select nutrition plan. Now, if you're going no nutrition plan, then we would click where it says log your own nutrition. That's the one you're normally going to use if you're not using MyFitnessPal. If you're using MyFitnessPal, just click, and this is your first time doing it, click set up MyFitnessPal, and then that's going to take you back to the screen we were on before. So let's do what most people will be doing, which where it says no nutrition plan, log your own nutrition. So we're going to click that, and then we're going to click next. So now you're going to enter every meal in. So we have breakfast, we have lunch, we have dinner, okay? And then you can also enter in snacks as well. So let's start where it says June 16th, 2021, the three dots to the right of that. I'm going to click those three dots. And it's going to allow me to add a meal or add a meal from a template. So if you created a meal from a recipe or something like that and you named it and you did it and you saved it as a template, it'll be there if you click add meal from a template. If you click add meal and let's say you eat a snack, I'm going to go where it says add meal and I'm going to name it. We can name it snack and then just click so snack, okay, and I would click add meal and it would add that to the list. So since I'm not going to do that, I'm going to X out of that. So let's say we're going to start adding food for our breakfast. So next to breakfast, it has those three dots. We're going to click those three dots and we can rename the meal. So maybe it was, you want to name it something else, we can do that. Again, if you want to save that meal as a template, you can do that or you can delete the meal. So let's X out of that and let's start where it says add food slash drink. That's where you would add everything that you're eating for the day. So for breakfast, let's add some stuff. So we're going to click that add food slash drink and we can either search. So it's going to automatically, anything that you've added in here before, it's going to save it. Okay. So it has it under search right now, most recent. So that's my most recent searches. We can go under custom. Okay, so let's say that you've got a package for something. Now you can also scan items in here as well. Okay, so let me go back there. So it has the barcode there next to where it says search, that barcode. If you have an item that's in a package and it has a barcode on it, like MyFitnessPal, you can search there. You can search the barcode, and if it's in the system already, it'll pull it up. Okay. We can go back to custom. Okay, so let's say that that item with that barcode on it is not in the system. Well, then you can add it in as a custom item. Okay, or you can go to your selected items. Okay, we haven't added any, so we're not going to worry about that right now. So we're going to go back to search, and I'm just going to type, let's type watermelon. Okay. Now all the watermelons are going to pop up. Every watermelon in the system is going to pop up. So let's just keep it simple, and let's go with the first one, watermelon. So we're going to click that, and then that's going to take us to the next screen. Now where it says servings, it says 1 cup balls. I can go ahead and click that drop down arrow, and it'll give me more options for the serving size. Let's say I had 3 ounces of it. So I'm going to click where it says 1 ounce. And now since I had 3 servings, I'm going to change that to 3. Now, if you probably noticed when I changed that number, the calories changed. All right, so it gives you an idea of all the stuff that's in it. All right, so we're going to go there. Let me go back. 3 servings. And good. Now we're going to click save, and it's going to save it. It says food was added to your plan. So let's say that I can add more food. So let's add multi-add. So we can click multi-add. Okay, if I wanted to add more than one thing, I would do that. But since I don't want to do that, now we're going to go back to the beginning, and now the watermelon is added. Now you do need to add each food in individually. So now that we added the watermelon, if I wanted to go and add something else, I would go back to plus add food or drink. And let's go turkey. Okay, and we're just gonna go with the second one, just turkey. We're gonna click that. And 1 thin slice is our serving size. So again, if that doesn't fit what we had, maybe we had 1 thick slice. So I'll go 1 thick slice. And I had 2 slices, so I'm going to change that 1 to 2. Okay, that's going to be there. Now it gives me everything that's in it, and I'm going to click save. Food was added to plan. All right, if we want to go back to the main menu, we're going to click that back arrow where it says add item. And you would just continue to do that for every food that you add for every meal. At the bottom, it's very important that you click where it says save log. Now, because if you don't click that, it's not going to save anything. If you just add all your food in and you just X out, close the app, you'll come back in and your food won't be there. So it's very important that you make sure you click your save log. So we're going to go. Now you can also view your macros. Now if I click where it says view macros, that's going to tell me my totals for the day, what I've had so far, your calories, your protein, your carbs. And I'm going to be telling you what you should be eating, so you can have an idea of where you're at compared to where you should be. So let's X out of that. All right, let's click save log after you've added all your food. It's saving, and it says nutrition has been logged. So that is your tutorial on how to log your nutrition. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but obviously, of course, if you have any questions, please let me know. Guys, I will see you on the next video. We're going to work on adding progress photos. See you there.